Hi, I'm Steve Bowerman. Today I'm going to show you some systems and techniques we use here at Newcastle Floor Sanders to sand your timber floor. Sometimes these new floors, especially smaller areas like this, it's just easier to do it with the rotary machine only. As you can see, it does sand very close up to the wall, even though it's got quite a few dirt marks on the floor, and because it's new and laid fairly well, it's fairly level, so there's no need to take too much off the floor with the big sander, and it can be done with one of these high powered rotary sanders. This is the special bolt-on pad that I make for the rotary sander to enable us to use this kind of machine on this application. Now the job has been gone over with the 60 grade on the rotary machine. It only leaves a little bit left at the edges, which can easily be done with a random audible sander. Okay, we've gone over the whole floor with an 80 grit sandpaper on the rotary machine, and it's just left this little bit at the edge there. Now this can be got with an audible sander without the use of any conventional floor sanding machines on the job at all.